All right, everybody. Today is Friday, and this is our first Excel activity. Hopefully you've looked at the instructions on the board, and now you've made it to this instructional video. Today you're going to be able to change column width, format text, autofill, and sort data using Microsoft Excel. So here's how you do it. All right, so in your Excel first activity, there are 3 attachments along with the video. Make sure that you watch the video first, and then once you've done that, then you can get started. The instructions are Activity 1 FBLA Club membership. Once you do that, you can open that up, and it looks like this. And you want to enable editing, and here are the instructions, so we're going to go through that. And then this is the example. This is what it should look like when you're done. And this right here, this FBLA Club Members.xls, this is the document, the Excel spreadsheet that you're going to be working in. So it looks like this. This is what it looks like before you do anything to it. So let's get started. So we're going to go back to our instructions here. And the first thing it says to do, we've already done all this open. We don't have to save it until the end. It says to bold A1 through A5. So this columns are lettered and rows are numbered. So when we say A5, we mean this one. So we want to bold A5 and we want to bold A1. All right, and we want to bold and underline A8 through I8. So A8 through I8, we're going to bold and underline that. Bold and underline. Okay. And then we're going to insert 2014 in column E, Fort Worth in G, and Texas in H, and autocomplete. So we're going to put 2014 here. We're going to put Fort Worth here. And we're going to put Texas here. There's 2 ways to autocomplete. I'm going to show you both ways. Okay? So in 2014, we want 2014 to go all the way down the row. So instead of having to type 2014 a bunch of times, what we can do is we can just highlight where we want it to go, then go up here to the fill button and just click on down. Okay? Another way to do it is to go over here to that cell that you want to bring down, and then go to the bottom right-hand corner until you get to the little, until your cursor turns into a little plus sign, and you drag that down. I'm going to do the same thing for Texas, just like that. Okay. All right. So now we're going to format the width and alignment of some columns. So we're going to format column A to 6. Okay. And the red are instructions showing you the pathway to get to where you want to be. So we're going to change column A to 6. I'm only going to do one of these. So we're going to highlight column A, and we're in Home, and then Format, and then we want to click on column width, and we want to change that to 6, and click OK. All right? And then you're going to change the width for B, D, E, and F, and G, and H, and I. And then we're going to center D, H, and I. So we're going to click on D, and we're going to hold down the Control button. We're going to click on H and I so we get all those columns. And then we're going to hit the Center button, and that centers those. And then we're going to click on A, and we're going to left align, and we may have to click that twice. All right, so now we're going to do a custom sort. We want to sort these names so that they're alphabetical. So what we're going to do is we're going to start at B9, and we're going to go B9 to I28, and then we're going to go up here to sort and filter. Okay, and we're going to do sort A to Z. Actually, let's do a custom sort, and we're going to sort by last name. And we're going to click OK because A to Z order. And it just changed it to alphabetical order. Okay, we're going to use autofill to complete the series of numbers. Okay, So we want this to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So what we're going to do is we're just going to highlight it all. We're going to go back up here, and instead of clicking down, we're going to click series. And we want it to go from 1 to 20. Right? And we're going to click OK. And it will number them from 1 to 20. All right, so now we're going to change some page settings. We want to make sure that we print the grid lines. We want to horizontal and vertically center it, and we want to change the page orientation to landscape. All right, so we're going to show the grid lines. So we're in page layout. We want to make sure that we view the grid lines. If I uncheck view, watch what happens. The grid lines go away. We want the grid lines. Okay, so we want to view the grid lines. We want to horizontally and vertically center it. So we go to margins and we go to custom margins, and we're going to horizontally and vertically center, and we're going to click OK. Right? And then we're going to orientation. We're going to change it to landscape, and then we're going to verify that it looks right by going to File and Print. We're not going to print anything. We're just going to look at it, make sure it looks like the example, and it pretty much does. So then I'm going to go ahead and save it, and then I'm going to turn it in. So that's pretty much it. Good luck, and we'll see you on Monday.